Hi there friends, welcome to Heart-Filled Kitchen. Today we're making stuffed portobello mushrooms. This is a hearty dish that's sure to leave you feeling satisfied and full. To get this recipe started, brown your favorite meat. This could be ground beef, venison, even pork or turkey. Now once you have that brown, just set it aside, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup of feta cheese to a bowl, along with a 1/2 cup of mozzarella and 2 tablespoons of Parmesan. Just mix that together well. Once it's mixed, it's time to season it up, and we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Give it another stir and set the bowl aside. Now let's go ahead and prepare those mushrooms. Just remove them from the package, give them a good rinse, dry them off, and then we're going to gently remove the gills from the bottom with a spoon. Okay, now that our mushrooms are prepared, we're just going to set those aside and grab a bag of spinach. Now with this spinach, just clean it, dry it, remove the stems, and then we're going to finely chop it. Okay, now we have all of our ingredients prepared, so now let's start combining them all together. Just add the spinach and the ground meat to your cheese mixture and give it all a good stir. And for a little bit more seasoning, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Give it all another quick stir, and now we're ready to assemble. Just place those mushrooms in a casserole dish or even on a baking sheet. And now you're going to take all of that delicious filling and pile them high until it's all used up. Now to finish off this recipe, we're going to go ahead and top each mushroom with a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese or provolone or your cheese of choice. Now grab some aluminum foil, spray it well so that the cheese doesn't stick, and we're going to cover that up. Place it into a 425-degree oven for 10 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 5 minutes. Now, if you're looking for a delicious and healthy side dish to go along with this, I love Instant Pot sweet potatoes. Just add your sweet potatoes to an Instant Pot with a 1/2 cup of water for 15 minutes. When your 15 minutes are up, you're going to natural release for 20 to 25 minutes. That means just allow it to sit for the additional time. These are going to be perfectly fork tender, and they make a great addition to this meal. These mushrooms are not only tasty, but also a great source of nutrients and protein, which makes them a perfect addition to any low-carb diet. Thanks for visiting my Heart-Filled Kitchen today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!